Guys, let me show you guys. If you have not been doing this, okay, let me show us how to do this to check your profile on TikTok. It is very, very important. Every day you wake up, or at least every 3 days, check your TikTok account by clicking on this one. Or it's either TikTok themselves send you a message, or you can also do it by yourself. Okay, when you get a notification like this, check your account, like this one here. Check your account message sent from TikTok. So it's just telling you check your account. All right, so you click on this like this. Now it brings you to this page. Check your account. So this is what exactly the picture you're going to be seeing when you click check your account. So that's going to enable you see if your account is in good standard or not. And then you go ahead, click check. You see that it is checking now. My account is checking. As it's checking, it's giving a tick. It's giving a tick on the right hand side. Giving a tick. It's still going on. So by the time you see anyone that there is a mistake, you see that one now. See that one, it shows red. I'm coming to that. So it's still checking. So this is what you're going to do. Post restricted. Okay, that is one post. You see that? Post restricted. That's the one I told you before. It has a tick that is red. So what I mean by this one is one of my posts has been restricted. So now I have to go back and rectify it. Okay, because when your post is restricted like this, or your account is going to block your followers, your viewers, you're not going to get engagement. Right? What you need to do now, you click on it like so. So now this is the post that gave me restriction. Waterproof smart GPS tracker. That's a video that I made. I bought something from TikTok app and I posted it as a content. So you click on it, keep going. You see, video not eligible. So what do you have to do now? It is either you make an appeal, yeah, or you just leave it. After 30 days, it might clean off, okay? This video is not eligible for you feed, okay? Right? Reason for ineligible, community guidelines. We maintain content eligibility standards for you feed, okay? That's FYF. That patronize safety and are informed by the diversity of our community. And so it goes on and on and on and on and on, right? So it is now my option to appeal or not. So let me click on appeal by the right hand side. Okay, and then submitted. So now it has been done. So I'll have to wait for maybe few days, depends. For the purpose of tutorial, I don't want this video to be too long. I would have loved to read it for you guys, okay? So that's how you make an appeal, and you check your videos every 2 days, or in fact every day when you're able to do it. Check your videos so that you just resolve any problem you have on your TikTok account, okay? So now you come down here. Do you understand why this video is not eligible for you feed? If I decide to click no now, it's going to be going on and on and on. For me, I don't have time to go up and down. I just click yes. Make matter come out. Do you understand why this video is not eligible for you? You can come back and so I already click yes. So what I wanted to do was no. Anyway, appeal received. So if I click no, it might be going on and on and on. So that's how you do your appeal, and then make sure your TikTok account is clean. All right. So that's it for now. Follow my channel, and then give me love and like. I comment. I don't know why people are not commenting.